You're recording. Pwede na kayo manginggit.
Hindi kami manginginggit.
Pwede yun, mukbang.
No.
ASMR.
No. Magagalit sila. Baka kunin nila yung food namin.
Hindi, di tayo mababas dyan.
At magko-comment pa sila.
Guys, huwag nyo kaming bash ha. Kumain kami ng masarap.
Tapos sasabihin na, ay ngayon naman.
Ibigyan natin.
Ay, paano? Ganun? Mura lang. Masarap nga ito, pero tapos mura pa. $35? Chopsticks! I'm in Japan now. I'm now in Japan, no? Diba Pilipino? Ngayon Japan. Ay, wait a minute. May sauce na ako. Why does chopsticks need to be so hard?
Hindi, tinidorin mo na lang.
No. Then I'll get banned from...
Don't be complicated. Make it easy.
Okay, from Korea because they don't use fork. You're banned fork in Korea? Banned in Roblox. Again, ano mangyayari pag may 100 Robux ka tapos na-ban ka?
Yeah.
Reach out. Do nothing. Yung tungtong outfit. Ito. Kukuhanin ko yung credit card ni Daddy and then I'll get all the Robux.
Nice, tagaling mo naman pala. Tagaling mo na eh.
No reaction!